Ayaw, may don't want to try. Try mo na.
Let your mom try first and see if anything happens to her.
No, what is gonna happen? Ito. Nalalaglag na, puti pa naman ako.
Patikim po.
Ha?
Patikim mo.
Aray ko, ito sa taas ang dami. Dami insect.
Saan?
Ay, dyan.
Ah! Umalis ka.
Nalaglag naman na siya.
What insect is this?
I don't know. But
If the black is sweet.
Ganto. Ma.
Oo. Ang dadagdagan niya.
I'm afraid to.
Ito tayo. Lalaglag sayang. You know, in the Philippines, they sell this in a small cup, 50 pesos.
Oh.
I'm sure how much.
$1?
Yeah, it costs $1 in a small cup.
Ay, ganito ma. Ito oh, baba, malaki oh. Ano to?
Ayan, pwede yan.
It's falling in my thing.
Yeah, mulberry tree. Mulberry tea.
Yeah.
Ayun, nakuha kami ng blackberry.
Ah, there's a bunch of
Black
them.
mulberry.